Hello everyone and welcome back to TON Orbital. I'm Tonio, and in today's TON Orbital video guide, I'll be showing how to supply TON and borrow USDT and repaying your loan on the Evaa protocol. Whether you're new to the world of DeFi or just getting started with Evaa, this guide is designed to help you navigate every step of the process. Evaa is a leading decentralized lending protocol on the TON blockchain. Here you can supply digital assets like TON to earn interest or use them as collateral to borrow other assets like USDT. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to evaa.finance. Click on Explore Web App to access the main interface. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Select your preferred wallet from the list of compatible wallets. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to Evaa. Alright, let's start by supplying TON to the Evaa protocol. When you supply assets, you're essentially lending them to the platform. Others can borrow these assets and you earn interest on them. We're going to select TON. Before we proceed, let's clarify some key terms that you need to know to ensure you have a solid understanding moving forward. Supply APY. This stands for annual percentage yield and represents the interest rate you'll earn over a year on your supplied assets. It's important because it shows how much your investment will grow over time. Loan to value, LTV ratio. This ratio determines how much you can borrow against your supplied assets. For example, if the LTV ratio is 50% and you supply $2,000 worth of TON, you can borrow up to $1,000 in USDT. Liquidation threshold. This is the point at which the platform will automatically sell your collateral if the value of your collateral drops too low compared to your borrowed amount. It's a safety measure to ensure that loans are always covered. If the liquidity threshold is unclear, take a look at the example we provided for you in the description below. Next, click Supply and then enter the amount of TON you want to supply. Let's say you have 4 TON. Once you've entered the amount, review everything and hit Confirm. Boom, your TON is now supplied and you'll start earning interest. This is what we call supply APY or annual percentage yield. Now that we've supplied TON, it's time to borrow some USDT. In DeFi, borrowing involves using your supplied assets as collateral. Let's see how it's done. Click on Dashboard and in the Borrow section, you'll see various assets you can borrow. Let's go with USDT. Here we have Borrow APY. Borrow APY is the interest rate you'll need to pay when borrowing assets from the platform. It's crucial to understand this as it affects how much you'll owe when you repay the loan. Click on Borrow and then enter the amount you wish to borrow according to your supply amount. We'll borrow the maximum amount. Once everything looks good, confirm the borrow. The USDT will be credited to your account, but remember, you'll need to repay this amount with interest, known as Borrow APY. Before we continue with repaying the loan, let's clarify some key terms. Health factor. The health factor is a dynamic value that indicates how close a borrower's collateral is to being liquidated. It is based on the ratio of the total value of the collateral to the total value of the borrowed assets. In the Evaa protocol, net APY, annual percentage yield, refers to the actual rate of return that a user earns on their supplied assets after accounting for any fees and costs associated with the investment. It gives a clear picture of the effective earnings a user can expect over a year when supplying their assets to the platform. Managing your loan is key. You'll need to monitor the value of your collateral and ensure it stays above the liquidation threshold. If your collateral's value drops too much, the protocol might liquidate it to repay your loan. Check your dashboard regularly. If the market dips, consider adding more collateral or repaying part of the loan to stay safe. For the next step, we are going to repay your loan. Here's how. Select the token you want to repay here as USDT, then click on Repay section and enter the amount you want to repay. Review the details and hit Confirm. Once the loan is repaid, your collateral is released. While we wait for the process to complete, take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, join our Telegram channel at TON Orbital for the latest TON news. After repaying the loan, we are going to withdraw our collateral. Go to the dashboard where your collateralized assets are listed. Click on the specific asset that you had used as collateral and now want to withdraw. Here we have TON as collateral. Click on Withdraw. Specify the amount of collateral you wish to withdraw. If your loan is fully repaid, you can withdraw the entire collateral amount. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal. The collateral will then be transferred back to your wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully supplied TON and borrowed USDT on Evaa. Remember, DeFi can be powerful, but it also comes with risks. So always keep an eye on your collateral and market conditions. And there you have it. You've successfully supplied TON and borrowed USDT on Evaa. Remember, DeFi can be powerful, but it also comes with risks. So always keep an eye on your collateral and market conditions. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital for the latest news and updates in the TON ecosystem. See you in the next video.